Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add code to Wix or embedding custom code to your site. So let's go to the browser first and log into your Wix account and go to Wix editor page. This is the Wix editor page you can see here. Now you have to click on plus icon, the element, add element. Scroll down and you'll find here embed code. Click on embed code. Now choose embed HTML code. Click on this and then you will find a box like this. Just position your box where you want to apply the code. I'm positioning here, and then you will find here two things. What do you want to add, website address or code? Choose code. Then you'll find here the code box. You have to write here the code like this. After that you have to click on update. Okay, after update your code will be updated here. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.